Flying geese are popular quilting units that can be used in borders and in sashing and in blocks. There are a number of techniques that you can use to cut and assemble flying geese units, such as using templates, using the rules for half and quarter square triangles, or paper piecing. In this video, I'll show you one of my favorite quick methods for making flying geese. Instead of cutting out 3 triangles, I'll be using rectangles to make my block. For a flying geese unit that will be 3 inches by 6 inches finished size, I need to cut a 3.5 by 6.5 rectangle and 2 3.5 inch squares. Next, I carefully press the diagonals. I could draw a line on the diagonal, but I find that pressing is easier. I put right sides together, and this is ready to be sewn on the press line or the drawn line. After sewing on this line, I'll fold this corner back and press. I like to cut out this extra bulk, but some folks leave it in. I can trim this with my rotary cutter or just use scissors to cut about a 1/4 inch seam. I'll take the last square, I'll put right sides together, and I'll sew on the press line. Here's my completed unit. I can throw away these triangles or sew them together, square them up, and save them for another project. Warning, there are many quilt units claiming to be flying geese. Don't be fooled by their name. True flying geese are made up of right triangles with 2 equal sides. The diagonal is at a 45-degree angle. The method that I went over in this video will only work with true geese. As you can see here, if I took these rectangles and sewed on the diagonal and then flipped this back, it won't work. For more sewing tips about making perfect flying geese, check out the next video in this series. Thanks for watching. Please click on the like button and share with your friends.